What's going on? What are y'all doing? It sounds like y'all are not happy.
Well, just same old crap. We're running out. Don't have the right. Go, stop and get bolts, and they didn't give you the right one, so that kills that. And then get the wrong power steering hose to go on it. It doesn't fit like it's supposed to. So now instead of going back to town, we're just going to concentrate on seeing if our new wiring harness going to the rear of the truck and to the motor will bolt into this same firewall. We're going to see if we can just use it without replacing the entire wiring harness inside. So if it'll work, we're going to start laying it out that way. Fun, yeah. Loads of fun. Fun.
So has this changed your projection on whether y'all
No,
gonna make
we're
it?
still going to make it.
Okay.
But we got to get to work.
All right.
This stuff all goes here, bub, somewhere.
All right, guys, welcome to today's video. We are back in the shop.
Back in the shop, working on the truck.
T-minus 3 days, 2 days, what are we at?
Wednesday, Thursday, and half day Friday, so 2.5 days.
Got 2.5 days left to get the truck finished. We just now jerked the front end off of it. Is that what you call that?
Well, we got the front clip off of the donor body.
I had a GoPro malfunction, so you might get a little.
She didn't get that film.
You might get a semi footage from my phone.
And then we got our new fuel lines in today. So Clancy is going to get started running those, routing those, and getting those all hooked up and buttoned up. Once we get the fuel lines put on, then we can mount the headers. And then we'll probably get the exhaust and get it put on. We've got some hoses to put on that go from the power steering pump to the gearbox, the power steering gearbox.
What
and then
is
we've
all
got
this? Is that red stuff on yesterday?
Yeah, that was all on there. Yeah.
Oh, okay, sorry.
It's been on there since we got the loader.
Okay, sorry.
And then we also have the fan clutch and fan blade to mount on the front. So, yeah, exciting stuff going on today.
So that's today's game plan.
That's today's game plan.
And guess what else?
What else?
It rained.
It rained, that's right.
It rained. So, all right, we'll
right.
check back with y'all
Check
after a
back in
while.
with y'all in a little while. Clance, go look at, hey, instead of playing, go look at the back of that truck. Maybe take those with you and you can decide where they go and how they go on there. We've got our, where's that baby at? See, it goes down here to the, comes out over here to the starter.
I came out for an update. What's going on? What are y'all doing? It sounds like y'all are not happy.
Well, just same old crap. We're running out. Don't have the right. Go, stop and get bolts, and they didn't give you the right one, so that kills that. And then get the wrong power steering hose to go on it. It doesn't fit like it's supposed to. So now instead of going back to town, we're just going to concentrate on seeing if our new wiring harness going to the rear of the truck and to the motor will bolt into this same firewall. We're going to see if we can just use it without replacing the entire wiring harness inside. So if it'll work, we're going to start laying it out that way. Fun, yeah. Loads of fun. Fun.
So has this changed your projection on whether y'all
No,
gonna make it?
we're still going to make it.
Okay.
But we got to get to work.
All right.
All right. Check in later. Why he's not keeping a knife in his pocket? He's driving me nuts.
Because somebody commented that on our YouTube. Told Clancy to keep a knife in his pocket. Because he didn't have a knife that day either. All right, what do we got going on now? I'll finally get an update. Okay, guys, we're back in here because all day long they've been jacking with this cab of this truck and things weren't going right?
Yeah, things aren't going right with it. I mean, we got it ready to pull off, but we got to cut a hole in the floorboard, and we got a bunch of stuff to do on it. We got to get the brake pedal out of it and get the new brake pedal and the clutch in there, and so we're just moving on now. We're working on wiring. So I will say this: we bought this wiring harness from American Auto Wire. We're not affiliated with them. They didn't give us a break or nothing, but it is pretty awesome. I mean, this is the rear harness, the rear of the truck. So it's got the tail lights and the fuel gauge on it. We've got over here, we've got where's it at, bub?
What?
The motor harness.
Over here?
we've got the motor harness over here that's got the windshield wipers and everything on it, and then the motor and the ignition. And then we've got a whole nother section over there that's the front tail lights. I mean the front headlights, not front tail lights. That didn't make any sense.
Front
and then
tail
the big
lights?
bag is all the interior stuff, the instrument cluster and all that. So, but this is all going to mount right up to the firewall from the truck that's the donor body. So we're not going to worry about redoing the interior until we get a little more time. So, all right, bub. So we've already went through down this one and taped it ever so often just with some painter's tape. We've saw some other guys do this. The reason we use this painter's tape is if you need to split a wire out, that painter's tape will just split real easy. So we're going to put this piece of loom on here, and it's going to go into this clip right here and clip to the front of the firewall. It's going to come over the top of the right here, and then it's going to go in right here onto this through this grommet, and then the rest of the time it's going to run on the inside of the frame rail. So, all right, so let's try to get that done.
So
Let's put
here's
it-
my question.
Shoot. Wrap
What
while you're-
about, you were saying you were going to go to Dallas tonight. What's the plan now?
Probably go to Dallas sometime tomorrow.
Duh.
I
Well,
think
like,
you're wrapping the wrong way.
okay.
Why?
I just wondered.
This is the way we wrapped it yesterday, or earlier today.
Okay.
Because your daughter's coming for
Okay, well, I didn't
supper.
know my daughter was being invited for supper.
I told you that 2 days ago.
You didn't, oh, you didn't tell me 2 days ago.
Yes, I did.
Even I know.
Well, maybe we may go during the day and you don't get to go.
Oh,
Well, it's fine. Y'all can go. Me and Fred will have dinner by ourselves.
Come down here a little ways.
Or you can go while Bub's at, what'd you call it, Friday?
I have to cut paychecks and I have
you
to
gotta
take,
get it out of your
that's
belly,
true.
dude.
you gotta pull that back a little bit. This one's a lot harder.
No,
Alright, that's
you had
good, that's
it
good.
pulled up to your belly, and the roll wouldn't go between your belly and the disc.
This is a make or break week, guys.
Hey, that'll cut them all at one time if you'll just put them together and squeeze.
They're not all the same length.
They will if you put them all together and cut them.
I didn't know that you wanted to do that.
You should have started at the yellow, at that beige one, and cut them all there.
Well, it doesn't go down to the back with them.
You don't go to the back.
But that's a good thinking, Mom.
I was being a smart aleck because your dad said you can do them all at one time. So
I'm hoping that'll all go through there. Be tight, ain't it?
Tight
who's over here breathing so hard? Pepper, go on. You're loud.
You see there's a little groove in there, right?
Yeah, I just need
Okay.
these to all hold together. Are they poking through the other side, Mom?
Yeah, a couple of them. I can see yellow. I can see green. You just gotta keep going.
That beige
Yeah,
came
keep
out.
going.
Get those through first.
Okay.
When you get to it, we can get the beige through there.
Keep on going. Push them, push them. Oh, you almost got it.
How many are through?
Yellow and green, but you keep pulling them back. So push.
Hey, hey, hey.
Yellow and green are through. Why'd you do that?
Because I have to get them all through at the same time.
I think
You
you
don't
could
have
just
to get them
slide
all
them.
through at once, bud.
Get,
You can,
get those two through, and then you can get another one through. Then you can get another one through.
They're all taped together
Okay.
at the same
All right.
spot.
Do what you want.
how is it, Mom? Having fun yet? That's what it's like working with him. He don't listen to nothing. You can't explain nothing.
like you.
through one at a time, like she said.
Nobody said go through it one at a time. You had two of them in. You should have just tried to push the other two beside them instead of jerking them plumb out when you already had them in there.
I'm going through one at a time, like she said.
Do not stick that one in yet. We'll put that one in at the very end. Wait, tell me when you're getting close to the orange
I
one.
got an orange one right here.
Okay? Can you just point it
Go.
down and see if it'll
Go.
pull through?
Hold on.
Can you?
Go.
All right. To go all the way till we get to the black deal.
Hold on. Not all the way till we get to the black door, because remember this is why it pulled out? Because this got hung up and
Yep,
wasn't
yep.
pulled right. So do we need it, what do we need to do?
Stick it in there now. Stick her on in there. But you're going to have to get it unhung from over the bed, over that tire, because it ain't going to come over that tire.
I'll do that in a moment.
Where are you trying to shove it through? At top or bottom or?
This right side over here.
All right, you got it.
Can you grab it yet?
I got it. Don't let it get a knot in it.
Keep going. Hold on, hold on. Alright, now go more. Alright, that's probably.
Take it all together.
Probably pull it just an inch, a little more. Right, whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright, now you should
All right,
go.
just let go of it.
Alright, now go. Hold on. Alright, now go. Whoa, 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 whoa. You need a flathead screwdriver. Push that back through, Paul. Oh, there you go.
It hit a knot or something?
Pull it. Whoa, alright, we're there.
That good?
That's good.
Okay. Now then. Well, it's because that ends.
Could we tie a piece of, like a fishing loop wire on it and pull it?
Well, that's,
You're already in now.
that's where we need that other deal. We need a wrench and we could stick the end of it in and then just drag it through there.
Where's
Like
it at? Where's this at?
Look it up on YouTube because there's got to be a better way to do this and try to
What
piece
am I
this
looking
thing.
up?
Wire loom, putting on wire loom or something. Wire loom trick. Loads of fun.
Alright guys, we'll come back later when food's in a better mood.
That ain't never gonna be in it. I'm only gonna get in a better mood with this thing when we're done and it's driving down the road.
Really?
He's
I
being,
thought it was about the journey.
well, the journey ain't no fun right now. This little truck is being
Cantankerous?
pretty cantankerous right now.
So you wanna give up?
No, I didn't say that. I just said it ain't much fun. There's a big difference.